Hello, Namaskar. You're watching BTTV. I'm Tanya Neja. Well, the Indian mutual fund industry ended 2023 on a high. For the first time, the industry's total assets under management, that is AUM, breached the 50 lakh crore rupees odd mark. It's also interesting to note that the industry's AUM first crossed the 10 lakh crore rupees mark way back in May 2014. But yes, there are a lot of mutual funds available in the market right now, and in this video we are going to discuss value mutual funds. So value mutual funds invest in stocks that are deemed to be undervalued in prices based on fundamental characteristics. They are open-ended equity schemes that follow a value investment strategy, and this kind of fund invests in the shares of companies that are traded at discounted rates. And the primary reason for investors to choose these stocks is that they could be undervalued due to temporary factors, but can give high returns in the long run. So the idea is to invest in these stocks and hold them over a period until their market prices align with their perceived true values. Value funds have gained attention in the current market scenario as they tend to perform well in a recovering economy. Now, as markets stabilize and grow, undervalued stocks with solid fundamentals often see significant appreciation in values, benefiting value fund investors. These funds have also given stellar returns in the last 1 year. So Quant Value Fund, if you see, the topper in the category, gave around 80% return in the last 1 year. GM Value Fund and Nippon India Value Fund gave over 60% return in the same time period. ICICI Prudential Value Discovery Fund, that is the largest scheme in this category based on assets managed, that gave over 44% return in the last 1 year. Now, according to experts, value funds are ideal for long-term investors who can handle markets ups and downs. The downside risk and the level of volatility in the case of value mutual funds are lower when compared with other types of equity funds. Since these stocks are already undervalued, they are less impacted in a bearish market. By investing in stocks below their intrinsic value, value funds offer the potential for higher returns in the long run. But are there any risks involved in these kind of funds? Well, the primary risk of investing in value funds is the market risk associated with equity investing. Additionally, there is the risk that the fund's assessment of a stock's intrinsic value may not align with the market trends. And lastly, it's important to always remember that past performance does not indicate future results. So don't forget to do your homework and then invest wisely. So that was all about value mutual funds, but stay tuned to BTTV. Lots more coming up for you, whether it's mutual funds, equity investing and personal finance, everything coming up only on BTTV. So stay tuned and many thanks for watching.
If you like the video, do like, comment, share and subscribe.